Take control of the site with Gama Safety Canada Skid Steer certification. Skid steers are amongst the most versatile pieces of equipment, but misuse can lead to serious accidents. Proper training not only ensures compliance, but reduces incidences by up to 50%. Certified operators are proven to work safer, faster, and more efficiently. At Gama Safety Canada, our skid steer training online certification course equips you with the skills to operate skid steers safely and effectively, even in demanding environments. This course contains purpose and characteristics. Understand what makes skid steers unique and versatile. Pre-operation procedures. Learn essential pre-checks and setup. Controls and attachments. Master the tools for every job requirement. Safety procedures. Prevent accidents with proven techniques. Site hazard and roadway safety. Navigate challenges confidently. Complete the course with an 80% plus on the written certification exam. Once certified, you'll have the skills to operate skid steers safely and professionally. From groundwork to road safety, we've got you covered. Whether you're new to skid steers or looking to upgrade your skills, this course ensures you're ready for the job. And remember, when it comes to making time for safety, it's better to lose a minute of your life than to lose your life in a minute. Gama Safety Canada, the driving force behind skilled and safe operators.